morning. How are you doing? I'm okay. I'm okay. Can't complain. Thank you. I just need to twist my hair because I can't be doing my hair every day. Putting chemicals in my hair every day. That's not good. Like water, it's cold outside. We into 30 degrees here. 31 degrees, very cold outside. It feel like 19 degrees. So cold. Oil, some type of stuff in my hair and twist it. So hello TikTok. Hello everyone on TikTok. Hello, hello, hello. It's me, Angel. Hey Angel, I'm on TikTok too, you know. I was on TikTok earlier, but nobody didn't come on. Thanks for the stars, the 2 stars. TikTok, thank you. I mean on Facebook. See, I just twist my hair like this. I ain't putting no chemicals but oil. I got some type of, I'm putting this in my hair. She-Bee hair butter. I put that in my hair and just, that's it. Nothing else. I usually put mousse, but I don't want no mousse in it. I don't like that mousse. So yeah. Hello TikTok. Hello everybody from TikTok. Sexy Love. Hello Paulette. My hair is like, I don't know about my hair. I usually start for the roots and the braid it first in three strain, and then I twist it, but I don't feel like doing all of that. I just want to twist it up so my hair won't be all over the place. So I'm just going to twist it. How y'all been, ladies? Hello, everybody. TikTok. Woo. Thank you. My ear itch. You say you don't see me on TikTok? Why? Why you don't see me on TikTok and I'm on TikTok? I'm on TikTok and Facebook. Yeah, it's 7:12 here. It might snow one day this week, so we don't know how much it's going to snow, but it's going to snow. Whew, I'm tired. I don't want no more food. I was going to eat a salad. I bought me a nice salad. Lifting, the way I'm pulling, doing everything. Jaleesa, if you're from Brooklyn, you know Jamaica Hospital. So I told my daughter, I said, Chanel, and when I said